All right, in this video I'm going to show you how to sweat solder. Sweat soldering is when you put two pieces of metal flat together like a solder sandwich. So you get your two pieces of bread, your two pieces of metal, and make sure they're lined up and that there aren't any gaps there. Otherwise it will be really hard to get them to stay together. So you put your solder on like you're putting pepperonis on a pizza. You want a lot, pepperoni lovers. So just cover it with solder where your metal is going to be, and then place that top piece of metal right on top of all those solder pepperonis. Make sure you've fluxed in between also, and then you're ready to go. So turn on the gas and light your torch. And then you will turn the air on, and you can go straight to a soldering flame. You do not need to have a gentle flame to boil the flux because the solder is sandwiched between the two pieces of metal. It's not going to jump around. Or it's more unlikely. When the solder flows, if you have the pick on that top piece of metal, you will feel the top piece of metal sink down as the solder flows. Then you go ahead and quench your metal and check it out. If it has stuck, go ahead and pickle it, and that is it.